Hey guys, so welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations and Happy New Year to all of you. Today we are making these beautiful jeans flowers. I call them jeans diamonds flower because we attached the beautiful diamond inside, and they are so quick and easy to do, and it's so much fun. I'm gonna create lace with these beautiful fabric, and also we're gonna attach them to our head pins. You can use on your hair, and then we can also use these flowers on our hairband, and you can do tons and tons decoration work with these beautiful flowers. So let's head to the project. So for this project, all you need a piece of jeans fabric. I have using from my old jean, and just take a piece. Here. All right. Cutting them straight line. All right. So now here we're gonna take like 1 inch to 2 inch wavy style circles. We are cutting in a wave, not like a zigzag, but a wave. And that's it, as you can see here, and even here too. So we're gonna cut another piece too. Same, we gonna use this wave, just cut straight. So with the one cutting, we are creating 2 flowers. Take a needle and thread. And that's it. Right, go on the back, tie a knot. This beautiful flower. Then I have these diamonds from Michael stores. They are very, very nice. So I'm just gonna take one in a glue in the center, and that's how we are preparing our flowers here. And then you can use them. So I'm using those flowers on this jean skirt which I made it. I will post a link in the description box too, and that was a fun project to do too. So I'm using them as my lace over here. All right. As you can see, it's look very pretty. Please comments below if you really enjoyed making this beautiful jeans fabric flowers. Um, God bless you all and wish you all blessed New Year. And please don't forget to hit like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cyrus Creations. Bye bye.